Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Alexandros. I'm from the Island of Cyprus. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves. And like always, not just salsa and bachata moves, a little bit on the side advice, a little bit musicality, and in this video, a little bit training method for the lower half of the body. Because as a dancer, amateur, professional, doesn't matter your level or your style, you need to have strong calves, you need to have strong quadriceps, you have inner thighs, outer thighs, hamstrings, and butt cheeks. If you have all these things nice and strong as roots, you'll be able to dance faster, more balanced, and be able to do a lot more things. Now, I'm going to give you a way that you can do up to 600 squats, amplified squats. You'll see why in a moment, why I call them amplified, because we get to hit also the calf area a month. So in 1 month, you will be able to see the difference. You will feel the difference. And when you wear your trousers, you're going to see the difference and feel it. Now, if you do it 2 months, that's good. I don't suggest you do the 600 squats for more than 2 months or 3 months, because that's just too much. What I do is just 5 times a week. I take 1 and 1 day off. So on Monday, Tuesday, I work 30 squats on Monday, 30 squats on Tuesday, nothing on Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 30, 30, 30, and then nothing on Sunday. So we have 150 squats in 1 week. Now, why not take a 1 hour session and do them 150? Because you might damage yourself, because you might put weight and only do 10 of them. It's better if you do just 30. Now, if you cannot do 30, that's fine. You can do 20, you can do 15, and after a week, you can put 5 more, and after 2 weeks, 5 more. If you put 150 times 4 weeks in a month, that's 300 squats, 600 squats in a month, 300 in 2 weeks. All right, 150, 150, 150, 150. I will show you the squats, get into the position, and as a bonus, I will show 2 more exercises that we're gonna hit the hamstrings and the inner and outer thighs, because those are different muscle areas that are not very targeted by the squats, even if it's one of the best exercises in the world. Now, everybody has their own way of doing it. My way is holding out the hands right here on a 90 degree. Yes, and when I go down and up, they don't go down and up. I just keep them parallel to the ground. That's important, but it keeps my body straight. Now you can bend down from here a little bit, that's fine as well. And then the legs, not just under your hip bones or your shoulders, and don't pass them too much. You have to find a middle ground between the two. When you shake your body like that, you feel comfortable. If it's too close, when you shake, you feel your legs wobbly. If it's too open, you feel that you're locked. So if you find a way where you're moving comfortably, that's where your squatting position is. You will place your arms like that and try to stay as straight as possible. It's okay if you bend a little bit from here and squat all the way down and then all the way up, count. Not yet 1, because look what I'm doing now with the ball of the feet. I'm lifting up the heels, keeping it for 1 second and coming down. So we get quadriceps, butt cheeks, and also working on the calves with 1 squat. Now I'll turn to the side and let's do them together. I'll do 30. If you like, you can fast forward. I'll put the time here so you can skip it, or do them with me. Here we go. 1, you count when you come up. Now I will give some advices here and there. 2, when you put power, exhale. When you don't, inhale. I think that's about 10. All right, and also be in control when you go down. Don't let gravity take over. You can go as fast as you like when you're going up, but it's very crucial that when you go down, you don't let gravity take over. You need to keep that muscle engaged. Okay, I think I'm about 15 now, or maybe a little bit more. Doesn't matter, just keep on going. This, you will count at your own. Maybe 15 is your limit. If 15 is your limit, that's fine. Then the next month, you will be able to do it even more. Add 5 more only. And relax. Last one. Speed is not an issue, okay? Now, before we go on to the next exercise, find somewhere to hold. Put your fingers between your ankle and your toes, right there, and lift back. Now, some people might not be able to close their heel all the way to their butt cheeks. That's perfect because that means you can stretch the quadriceps without doing nothing. Unfortunately, I have a little bit more flexibility, so when this touches my butt, I don't feel any stretching. If that's your case, lean it backwards. Keep it there 15 to 20 seconds. Feel that stretch, feel that pain. You don't need to do it more than once if you do it correctly. Now, relax, take your other leg, get balanced somewhere between the toes and the ankle. Touch your butt, lift back. Oh yeah, I feel that stretch now. We need to stretch the muscles so it heals better. Remember that. So this is our, let's say, extended squat way of doing. If you can do 30 of these a day, once you wake up, before you even put on anything on your face, ladies, guys, before you go wash your teeth or go and get yourself a coffee, just stand up like you're half asleep and start doing your squats. Or before you go to sleep. Anytime you want. Start with 3 times a week, I suggest, then go to 5. Always take breaks, at least 24 to 48 hours to relax your legs, because if you do it every day, you're damaging your legs and you make them thinner and weaker. Okay, now let's go. I promise you 2 more exercises because we need to cover inner thighs, outer thighs, and we also need to cover the hamstrings. The hamstrings is quite simple actually. Again, sorry for the angle, but we have to find somewhere to lean, not be straight. Don't be straight like that. Somewhere to lean, okay? Now your right knee passes your left knee behind like so. Touch with your toe on the floor, because that's the foot we want to work on. Try to kick your own butt and then go down. If you touch, that's okay, the floor, but don't relax it on the floor. You need to keep the muscle activated throughout. I usually do 30 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can drop out anytime you like. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? And now because I've done it on the right, I'm going to do it on the left. Do it with me. We have to keep a good balance. Now, even if we're doing videos. 1. You see that it's protruding more. It's not next to my knee, it's back. I lean forward, so gravity takes over and it hits the hamstring. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Don't leave it to rest down on the floor. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, halfway there, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. When you feel like it, hit another one just to push a little bit more. Again, if you drop off of 10, if you start feeling cramps, give it a rest. You don't have to do 30. 30 is quite a lot for such a isolated muscle area, and it works perfectly. Now also you need to stretch that. So make sure you turn to the side like this and slowly allow your belly and your chest to go down. Now if this is your maximum, that's fine, guys. What I like to do is try to touch my nose onto the knee, and you keep it there for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then you turn to the other side. You need to stretch that hamstring because we worked on it. And again, 30 times in 5 times a week, that's 150. 2 weeks, that's 300. 4 weeks in a month, that's 600 pull-ups. So why go to the gym for an hour and kill yourself and recover for 5 days, or you can do just 30 in a few minutes every day. Okay, now as far as you can go. The last exercise, which is like a bonus for the inner and outer thighs. I'm laughing because it's a little bit funny when I show it to my students that don't believe it. But I have here a stool. You can use a chair, anything that does not allow you to bend down more than your 90-degree angle. So you can even be up here on a table or on a bar, whatever you have in your kitchen, and just relax there, like that. Now, try to put socks on a slippery floor. I can do it with shoes, and this has nice slippery laminated floor in my dance school, and just pull in the legs. Now push them out. Pull in the legs, push them out. In the beginning you might feel nothing is happening, so make sure you put on socks and you're on marble slippery floor, and start from a very small position, not a very stretched out one, very close position. Push your inner thighs and then push outwards. Push in, push out. You can hear them going in and out. You can do them small. You can do them very large. And that will get you a lot of power. Again, I suggest 10, 15 dropping off, or do 30 if you're feeling fit for it. If not, in just 2 weeks, you can go from 15 to 20 a day, okay? Or every other day. Reminder, do not do this every day without breaks. If you do 2-3 days in a row, you need 24 hours to 48 hours to relax. And as a nice extra little thing, if you like also to become stronger faster, I'm gonna say this, some people might believe it, some people not. Food sometimes is not enough, okay? You know you have to be careful what you eat. You know you need protein. Doesn't matter if you're vegan or you eat meat, you still have to get your protein in, because then your machine doesn't have proper gasoline. So don't be shy, go out there and ask in a bodybuilder shop to give you a protein shot. Give it a try, it's got different tastes. It will go straight to your muscle. Once you finish your exercises, you have half an hour, drink your milkshake protein. And for vegetarians, there's also without any animal products in, which works perfectly. And that will give you a full rounded exercise for your lower body without trying too hard with all those machines and putting extra. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you comment and rate. And sorry for the background noise. If you'd like to support me, check the Patreon. I'm trying to get new microphones so we don't get any background noise. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.